If you want to learn a unique perspective of Winnipeg's past, you can get a tour of the city's hidden history of graffiti. This tour happens on a 1-hour boat ride on the river. And joining us now to tell us more about the graffiti boat tour are Winnipeg Waterways co-owner Will Belford and co-founder of Graffiti Gallery, Pat Lazo. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning. Thanks for having us.
Well, thanks for joining us. Now, you bought the boat business about 3 years ago. And then you slowly, as you're getting more and more accustomed to this new business, you're partnering with other organizations, including with the Graffiti Gallery. Tell us why you wanted to do this.
So for me, yeah, it's our third season in operation. Once we got our feet under us, so to speak, we started branching out and working with other organizations like Louis Riel Institute and, Turtle Tours. And I spend so much time on the water, and one of the things that is ever changing but always present is graffiti. And so it's sort of this moving canvas, and I thought, who better to sort of speak to this than our local expert, Pat Lazo.
Right. Okay, so let's talk about graffiti. It's a real illustration of what's happening in history at that time, right?
Yeah, it sure is. And on this tour, you'll be able to see like all different aspects of sort of the subculture.
Okay, and so there's graffiti. Well, the Forks is a gathering place. It's been a gathering place forever. And so is that what graffiti artists would do? They would gather there as well and express themselves through their art?
I don't want to really let too many of the stories out, but yeah. I mean, under bridges, it's like commonplace for young folks to gather, and yeah, it's interesting. It's got interesting history.
And how did you discover that history?
I had to hunt for it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's kind of part of it.
Hunt for it by speaking to the artists themselves.
And going to the spots where you'd find the graffiti and that sort of thing, and you'd search for it. It's like birding, except for graffiti.
Well, it sounds fascinating. And so right now the river trail is closed, but the river walk is closed, but you could still get on a boat and take a cruise, right?
Absolutely, boats float. And so even though the river walk is underwater, we can float in any condition.
So describe what the experience is like when you're going down the river and you're exploring the history of graffiti in the city.
Well, for me, you might be coming under a bridge and see something that you can see from any vantage point if you're on the river walk, but you might turn a corner and glimpse something that can only be viewed from right in the middle of the water. Okay. Just that specific vantage point. Even under some of the really tall train bridges in the middle of the Red River. I mean, you don't get an option to see that stuff from anywhere on land, and so on the seat, in the water, hopefully you see a big, long train passing by with all sorts of art from all over the country. That's really special.
That is so cool. And the fact that they did it in certain spots that seem very difficult to place art is also really fascinating. And you'll learn about that as part of the tour?
For sure. Yeah, I want to kind of sort of demystify or like let people in on what drives young artists like that to do that sort of thing, and yeah, I think it'll be fun.
Okay, let's talk about some of the awards. Last year you won the 2025 Winnipeg Manitoba Tourism Award for Business of the Year. Brand new business. You just started this 3 years ago. How does that feel?
Feels amazing. I mean, there's someone at our table was taking some cell phone video of us winning the award, and we were just sitting there like, isn't this great? Isn't it nice to be nominated? And we're sort of like pouring wine for our friends, like, oh, what a great night. And then we win, and the look on our faces, we're just like, absolutely shocked. It's such an honor. Yeah.
Well, congrats to you. The tour sounds fascinating, and tickets sell out quickly. So if this is something you're interested in, get your tickets as soon as possible. Thanks, you guys.